Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So what we are going to do, we are going to analyze the weekly candle first of Bank Nifty, then we'll do Nifty. See the way we have been trying to predict the market, okay, or not predict actually, to react to what the market is doing. So it's going perfect like to plan. Now see, let's start with the weekly thing. So last week, as we discussed, we got a doji. Okay, after the doji, now this kind of a candle, like imagine like you want to take a bullish bet. Okay, don't you think इससे अच्छा कोई candle मिल नहीं सकता आपको bullish bet लेने के लिए और ऊपर जाने वाला इसके लिए? So lot of times now what's going to happen कि after such weeks ना या तो एक sideways day होता है नेक्स्ट वीक वाला, या तो अपवर्ड मूवमेंट कंटिन्यूएशन. ओके, तो डाउन मूव आने का प्रोबेबिलिटी इज डैम लो फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीक इफ द मार्केट क्लोजेस मतलब ऊपर. वी डोंट नीड मार्केट टू कम डाउन टुमारो. इफ इट कम्स डाउन देन द इंटरप्रिटेशन बिकम्स टोटली डिफरेंट. ओके, सो व्हाट आर वी लुकिंग एट द वीकली कैंडल? फर्स्ट आई एम सीइंग अ मारुबोzu. The thing is, one day is left. So tomorrow at 3 o'clock or 3:10 or 3:15, okay, you just have to look at the weekly candle, look what it's saying. If it tells you a bullish candle, I'm not telling you to, but I am going to sell puts for the next week as well. Okay, with the thinking that the market will go higher in the next week, or at least it may not drop down. We don't care, if it goes 1 point higher or 500 points higher or 1000 points higher. Whenever we sell puts, we just want the market to do time pass. We don't want it to come down quickly. Okay. So in that case, I don't think next week it can quickly come down, and we'll discuss like what needs to happen for the market to quickly come down as well. But yeah, if tomorrow we get a good closing, I'm going to sell puts for the next week. Okay, so basically first thing is keep an eye out for tomorrow's weekly candle closing. Now let's discuss today's price action. Okay, I told you yesterday, market inside yesterday's range will be a triangle type of a market, and I told you even if you want to play in that range, try to play with the bullish bias and Bank Nifty. Okay, so Nifty, I told you, Nifty will search for bearish bets. Bank Nifty, I told you, will search for bullish bets. Because, both of them, they are telling us different things. So, this perfectly was an inside candle, okay? According to our analysis, this was perfect. इसमें triangle जिसने मारा होगा, बहुत अच्छा पैसा कमाया होगा आज. हमने क्या किया था? Let me tell you. Because this was a bullish candle, we just took home put sell positions, and in the morning we got some profit. Okay, and after that we were selling penny premiums in Nifty because we don't try to take risk on Thursdays. It's really difficult to make money on Nifty expiry. Now tomorrow what do we need? So basically, we always look at the candlestick pattern. Okay, in this case it's a doji. What does doji tell you? As always, like you might have gotten bored of me telling you always this same logic, but that works actually. So like after a doji we want to play a breakout or a breakdown of this candle. Okay, nothing else. We don't need to see anything else. Okay, because the market is an all-time high, I'm going to try to avoid any losses in call selling positions because I'm going to feel very stupid if I lose money by selling calls. Okay, so whenever you see an inside candle, what you have to do, you don't have to do anything. Just wait for the breakout or the breakdown of this candle. Okay, that's all you have to do whenever you see an inside candle. And we are playing and reacting according to the market. It's not I'm telling you, अच्छा मेरा bias bearish है or something like that. Okay, so for tomorrow on the daily chart, what we inferred that we have to wait for the breakout or breakdown. Okay, inside this range, try to avoid taking too much risk very less tomorrow जब तक ये range के अंदर है फिर. Okay, so weekly candle tells us wait till 3 p.m. Daily candle tells us play the breakout or breakdown of the inside candle. Now let's look at 15 minutes. 15 minutes, same thing as yesterday. If the market comes down, okay, it has gone up. Okay, it's doing this kind of stuff. If it comes down, I'll be looking to initiate some bearish positions with very small risk here. Okay, but I am mainly even if the market comes down to 50 250, I'll be looking to like sell puts as well, not only calls. I'll definitely sell calls in this down move, but I'll also have put selling positions. Okay, so this I think is going to be a good support moving forward. And what are we seeing? We are seeing some kind of like sideways action taking place now, right? So inside this range, don't try to take any risk. This is going to be triangle kind of a market. Okay, and the premiums will keep on decreasing here. So इसमें ज़्यादा don't try to apply your brains. The best brains you can apply is to avoid losses. And this period में, especially people who take like views on the basis of 3-minute candlesticks, okay, in this kind of range they'll get butchered. So try to play outside this range to increase your probability of winning. Now what are we going to do on the basis of tomorrow's market opening? So first thing, तो हमको क्या करना है? 15 minutes में we got this range. अगर market इस range के ऊपर खुल के if it closes for like 2 15-minute candles, okay, then what you're going to do, because the market is an all-time high, you have to keep rolling up your put selling positions. Okay, because कितना भी ऊपर जा सकता है फिर, there's no limit कि कितना जाए फिर, because at an all-time high there is no resistance. Okay, you have to wait for the market to make an M pattern or a lower low or something like that, because तब तक you cannot predict. I've seen a lot of traders, okay, at an all-time high. Even you notice with the intraday traders, they'll take all their losses, okay, all-time high जैसे ही आता है ना, तो call में they'll get screwed like royally. So we don't want to do the same mistakes others are doing. Okay, we have to learn from their experiences also. And downside में I told you wait for this, like you already got one down move. Okay, so first down move never sell. So again if it comes you're going to sell here. Okay, that not too much to add in Bank Nifty. So Nifty, let's look at it. So Nifty, let's start with the 15-minute time frame, okay, because that's what I opened here. So yesterday also we discussed this rising channel. So we need a breakdown, okay, below this yesterday's low, actually today's low. It's important for us now. So Nifty, we won't be playing any bearish move in Nifty unless we get a good closing below this candlestick, okay. Don't play any like bearish move in Nifty. And my suggestion is, okay, ये rising channel के upward breakouts, no, I find them very weird, okay. So try to even avoid this rising channel upward breakouts. Stick with Bank Nifty, okay. It's not as if you don't get a trade. Okay? If you don't get in Nifty, you might as well go in Bank Nifty, okay. But like keep in mind, Nifty I'm definitely interested in playing if this trend line breaks. Now आज का I was expecting when market came down here, right? I was expecting market to go and break and slide down like anything, okay, today. That didn't. Again, it took support from the trend line. I don't know how long it's going to do this, but I'm not getting a good feeling about Nifty. So simple, what I'm going to do, actually even I can be wrong, right? So to hedge against my own stupidity, what I can do, I'll play long definitely if the market goes above this resistance, because see, this is the first time it took a resistance, second and third, okay. So this is a resistance and it's going to turn into a support whenever it breaks out. Cool. To hedge against my own stupidity, I have to play bullish above today and yesterday's high in Nifty, okay. So let's look at the weekly candle abhi. This weekly candle is not good, okay, in Nifty again. Even last week we didn't get a good movement. The only good thing was we closed above the event week high. I don't like such candles, like doji kind of candles in Nifty. They don't give me a good indication about like playing bullish. So what this tells me, okay, the momentum is not like there to take the market really up. So I will wait. I'm going to wait for a big candle to come. Okay, then I'm going to like take a larger view, time frame view. But till then, I'll play according to the daily time frame and 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so this, I'm just telling you, this is not healthy. Like for the market to go up, this kind of candle is not healthy according to me. Now on the daily chart, this is the same shit which is going on. Last so many days, no movement, nothing in Nifty, and it just broke its all-time high and it's consolidating. Now, what may happen as we're looking at this trend line might break and market can give a big candle on the downside also, Nifty mein, okay? So we don't want to get screwed in that red candle. Bank Nifty में अगर Bank Nifty नीचे आता है M दिख जाएगा हमको. Nifty में I'm telling you this kind of price action is not good. So I'm very cautious on Nifty. At least you know, give me a good candle here, like such kind of a candle, highest one, and then I'll play again bullish. But तब तक के लिए I'm not interested too much here. And going forward, you know, the budget also is I think very soon. And you think like logically, like assume you are long in Nifty, okay? So you're long, you're holding your positions in so many days, but it's not going up, like it's not going up quickly. So what you're going to do, people, especially novice traders, they think that market is sustaining above all-time high, let's go long for no reason. So what it may do, it may give a big dip also here. Aisa kind of dip it may give. And we have to be ready for this in the coming 1, 2, 3 weeks, okay? Kabhi bhi this can come. So we are like very cautious in Nifty. Okay, as for the daily candle, this is again an inside candle. So inside candle ka what you have to do, same as Bank Nifty, just wait for the breakout or breakdown. Jab tak you don't get that, you don't get a good trade, okay, inside this range. Inside this range, preferably skip it. And tomorrow we'll look at Sensex also, because tomorrow Sensex expiry is there. This doesn't give me a great feeling as well, okay, because Sensex may be same thing हो रहा है Nifty के जैसा जो हो रहा है. There's no good candlestick. But what we are going to do, simple according to, because you know, I always worry कि my analysis also can go wrong, right? I'm not like 100% accurate guy. So like above last 2 days high, because it's an all-time high, above this we'll start to have a bullish bias. So 77,850 के ऊपर, if Sensex goes tomorrow, be very scared on the call side, okay? And because of Nifty, okay, in Sensex tomorrow, and this inside candle breakdown, if it happens on the downside, be very scared on the downside also. Okay, so inside this range, I think play low risk in Sensex, and I can't give you the exact premium and all, because I'll also be trading very cautiously tomorrow, because this is not a zone, okay, this is not the time where we, like traders like us, make the highest money in such candles. You know, we like these kind of candles. These make money for us. Okay, so Sensex mein just at the inside candle breakout, be very cautious on the call side. If it breaks out on the upside, be very cautious on the put side if it breaks down on the downside. Okay, and a lot of you gave me a lot of comments yesterday. I really appreciate it, and you like our videos, and do give us more topics and ideas you want videos on. We note down all of them. Trust me, I have a Telegram group in which every comment which you tell me please make a video on this. I store all of them. And just a request, if any of you is good at video editing or like making thumbnails or something like that, if you can help us out, please do so, because we are not good at the YouTube aspect of that. We literally focus most of our time only on trading, so we are very horrible in all the other aspects of like YouTube. So if you know a video editor, or you can suggest one, or because even I want to make shorts as well. So if anyone can help me, DM me please. I would really appreciate the help. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you on Sunday now. Tomorrow most likely we won't have a video because we don't know how to do shorts yet. Nikita will cover the weekly analysis this week, and I'll try to come up with an educational video on Sunday. Okay. So till then, take care, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.